Passive income is literally allowing yourself to keep making money, even when you are asleep. Who doesn't like that and want that? Not having to spend hours of your day laboring away and instead getting to spend your day as you like, is something most of us dream of. Well, if this is something you keenly want, you have to make some smart decisions, and it would also involve putting in some initial hard work, so you can get the ball rolling. This video of ours will hopefully open your eyes to possibilities of earning this kind of passive income, and that too in a variety of ways. So here goes. 1. Rental property. Investing in real estate can be a great source of passive income. You can buy a property and rent it out to tenants, collecting regular rental income. Another benefit of owning real estate is the appreciating value of the property over time. Hence, it can be a great hedge against inflation. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is another great option. When you invest in these stocks, you'll receive regular payouts from the company in the form of dividends. These dividends can become a regular source of income, and as you keep putting in more money into these stocks, your payouts will also keep getting bigger. In fact, there might come a point where you earn enough to cover all your expenses only through these dividends that you earn. Although, you have to be mindful that you don't put all your eggs in one basket and instead make sure that you diversify, so that even if the company that you have invested in goes under, you have other options to fall back on. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a great way to generate passive income. You can lend money to borrowers through online platforms, and the interest payments will be sent directly to you. Basically, these online platforms bring together the borrower and the lender. This form of lending is mainly preferred by borrowers who either are ineligible for a loan from a bank or do not want to go through all the hassle of the paperwork and processing that is required when dealing with a bank. There is some amount of risk involved in you lending money via such platforms, but this is mitigated to quite an extent due to the platforms also doing their due diligence and profiling borrowers, so you know the level of risk involved with each of them when you are lending your money. Please be sure to do your research and only opt for a credible platform that has a good track record and positive reviews. 4. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to generate passive income. You can create a course on a topic you're knowledgeable in, and then sell it to people who are interested in learning more. Many of us have some great talents or are very knowledgeable in something, but are you really doing justice to that knowledge if you aren't sharing it with the world? This is where creating an online course comes in. It not only gives you an opportunity to share your talents with the world, but also allows you to make money out of it. What could be better? It could be anything from creating a course, teaching how to play the violin, to writing a code. Things that you already might be working on each day to earn a paycheck can be converted to a source of passive income. 5. Ebooks. Writing and selling ebooks is another great way to generate passive income. You can write an ebook on any topic, and then sell it to readers who are interested in learning more. Just like with online courses, ebooks can also be a great way to share your knowledge with the world. Once you have created an ebook or a course, all you need to do is put it up for sale on some online marketplace, so people who are interested can buy it. Until the time that book or course is relevant, people will keep buying them. Basically, after the initial effort of creating them, you need to do nothing more, but simply sit back and relax while the money rolls in. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting others' products or services on your website, YouTube channel, or social media pages. Every time someone is referred to the product from one of your platforms and buys it, you get a share of the profits, in the form of a referral fee. This is a classic form of passive income and is employed by many as it is really easy to set up and can be of great benefit, especially if you already have an online audience or following. 7. Niche websites. Creating and monetizing niche websites is a great way to generate passive income. You can create a website on any topic, and then monetize it through affiliate programs, advertising, and more. This again is something that will require an initial investment, in the form of money needed to set up a website, etc. But once you have done everything, you can hope to start earning an income from it. Be sure to do your research before you begin, so you know exactly the kind of website you want and the amount of money you are willing to spend to set it up. 8. Investing in index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that track a stock market index. You can invest in index funds and receive regular payments based on the performance of the index. They are recommended by every great financial expert from Warren Buffett to Peter Lynch, and with good reason. These funds track a particular stock market index like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq Composite Index, etc. In other words, the movement of these funds is not dependent on individual stocks, but on the movement of these indices. Hence, they don't need a fund manager to make decisions, but are automated based on the index price movement. Firstly, this helps prevent human errors, and secondly, since no one needs to be paid to manage them, they are cheaper to buy than a regular stock or mutual fund. Agreed, they might not show the kind of aggressive returns that are sometimes seen with individual stocks or actively managed mutual funds, but it has been observed that over long periods, index funds have performed the best in comparison to all else. This means you can park your money safely in one of these funds and catch a good night's sleep, while your money keeps growing, slowly and steadily. 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to generate passive income. You can set up an online store and link it to a supplier who will ship products directly to customers. You can receive a commission for each sale without having to keep any inventory. One can't argue the fact that huge market players like Amazon and Alibaba have really made life difficult for small-time drop-shipping businesses. But if you can set up a store that has products that are really unique, not normally found on these large online platforms, and have really competitive pricing, you could make this work. Be sure to do your research about the kind of product you want to sell and also ensure that your supplier is a reliable one, as customers won't stick with you for long if you can't deliver what you have promised. 10. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is another effective way to generate passive income, provided you are focused and persistent. You can create videos on any topic, and then monetize your channel with advertising. This again is something that would need an amount of hard work to be put in right at the beginning. You will need to find your niche or start a channel about something you have knowledge in, are good at, or are passionate about. Getting into it just to make money might not really work, as it takes a lot of time, hard work and patience to build an audience and a community of people who will regularly watch your content. So, if you aren't interested in what you are creating, you will get bored pretty quickly and give up halfway. But if you manage to create an audience, you can earn from the money YouTube pays you in the form of revenue sharing for the ads played during your video, and you could also monetize your channel in a number of other ways, like affiliate marketing, brand promotions, etc. This is really when you start earning passive income from it. In the end, our aim through this video is to be able to open your eyes to some possibilities of earning an extra buck, which will help you secure your and your family's financial future. We sincerely hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, kindly be sure to like our videos, share them with friends and family, and most importantly, please subscribe to our channel, so we can keep creating more such content. Take care and have a great day.